Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Tour One M2 wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these headphones not connecting to your phone or your other device, or if they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to, for any variety of reasons, you want to delete all of the pairing history off of them, clear all the settings, so you can set these up basically as though they were new coming out of the box for the first time. We can do that. Also, if you decide it's time to get a new set of headphones, I'll just go ahead and put a link in the description to a nice pair of headphones at a good price. But anyways, to do this reset, all you need to do is make sure your headphones are turned on. They got a decent charge on them. And then we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the volume up and volume down, or the plus and minus buttons, simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. And after those 5 seconds or so, the headphones will automatically turn off and then reboot into their factory default state, at which point we can set them up as though they were new headphones.